Welcome back, beautiful people. Okay, we have Ipsy. Isn't this nice? The mail guy just folded it in half. That was cool. Anyway, so this is June Glam Bag Plus. This subscription is now, it was $28. They are charging handling fees. So if you're interested in Ipsy, you might want to go check out the website just for the price increase. Let's see what we got and see if this is going to be a keeper. I mean, you get 5 full-size products, right? And you get to pick 3 out of the 5, which is what I really like. So compared to BoxyCharm. Okay, this one is okay, and we're back. So just to show you, that's how it was folded up. Okay, I don't even know which end is up, which end is down. Okay, theme with the popsicles. It's cool. These popsicles are actually bright pink, so magenta. I know they're coming off a little purple. But we do have purple tassel drawstring here with the bag, so I'm sure the card's here. And show your colors. No pricing. Wah, wah, wah. All right. Anyway, let's get into it. I'll tell you what I picked. This is what I picked. These brushes. Who are they by? There are 3 brushes. They are nice, like gold. Oh, Alamar. Am I saying that right? Yeah. So they are labeled. They look nice. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them or not, but a set of 3 brushes is always a great value. And we got a palette. Araceli. I like them. I like them a lot. I like their eyeliner. And let's see. Las Flores blushes. Interesting. Con agave. Interesting. I like agave in my margarita. So this is Dahlia and Lelia. Okay, my multi-skills are not happening. We're just going to make it work. So let's see. I love the packaging. It does match the outer carton. Just, ooh, so it's a duo. So Dahlia and Lelia. So it's like a peach. You can see that? And it does come with a mirror. All right. This one kind of has like a shimmer right here. Ooh, super pretty. Yeah. Okay. And this was one of my picks as well. Okay. I'm pretty sure. So it is the Natasha Denona Jubilee palette. I do have a few of these, but if you haven't seen them, I have a bunch waiting for giveaways. Oh no! Oh my gosh. Do you see how that's crushed? That's broken. And Natasha Denona has great quality, but I'm not going to open that. I'm going to report that as broken, as evidenced by this unboxing. Okay, next. This was their pick. Complex Culture Sun Bath Baked Bronzer. And that's just right. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. Complex Culture has great products. I like their brushes. I'm like doing work on this box here. Okay. Okay, okay. Look at how sleek the packaging is. And it's got like the brownish tone, so you know it's a bronzer. All right. We do have a film here. So, oh, that's pretty. It's actually darker in person. Yeah, that is really pretty. It has like red vibes in the back. I don't know if you can see that, but for sure there's red tones in there. Okay, last, as if this wasn't a great bundle, we have Ciate London Cranberry Palette. Oh yes, this was also their pick. I'm thinking this is a great one this month. Do you guys agree? Sorry for the background noise if you can hear that. But this gave me, what is it? Huda Beauty palette vibes. Oh no! Oh no, oh no, oh no, I just seen that. Oh man. It's broken, guys. It's broken. I'm gonna show you, but it's broken. Oh gosh. This would have been a great bag. The whole thing is crushed. And I really wanted to try that, but now I've got it all over my bed. Oh, Lord. So we got 2 items that weren't broken. Complex Culture, Araceli, Natasha Denona went bad. Ciate London went bad. Brushes. For the price, I think this was totally worth it. You guys have to let me know down in the comments. I am going to be reaching out to Ipsy and letting them know. I've never had this happen to me. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you and talk to you in the next one. Stay safe.